You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
Samsung Galaxy A71 5G launch could be just around the corner, as the handset is Bag 10 certification, and the listing is now updated with key specifications and images. To recall, the phone was recently spotted on the Wi-Fi Alliance database and Geekbench platform. Externally, the Samsung Galaxy A71 5G is identical to the vanilla Galaxy A71 4G LTE model, with a punch hole cutout to accommodate the selfie camera, quad cameras arranged in the rectangular module, and an in-screen fingerprint sensor for security. The Samsung Galaxy A71 5G is expected to be powered by a 2.2 GHz Exynos 980 SoC, coupled with an integrated 5G modem, 8 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage that should be expandable. It is likely to boot Android 10 OS, which could be skinned by ONUI 2.0 custom skin on top. The phone measures 162.6 into 75.5 into 8.1 millimeters. It has been tipped to pack a 4370 mAh battery, possibly with fast charging support. The quad camera setup will likely include a 64MP primary unit, accompanied by a 12MP secondary sensor. However, details regarding the other two sensors are unknown. The volume rocker and power button are expected on the right, while the SIM tray could be on the left. Since there is no cutout at the back, the fingerprint sensor will likely be placed in display. This also means the handset should have an AMOLED display. Samsung Galaxy A71 5G Wi-Fi Alliance certification revealed it will have dual-band, 2.4 GHz, and 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity. And that's it, guys. If you enjoy such tech-related leaks and rumors, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, because I will be updating you with such news. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.